We seeing the genetic weaknesses actually impacting the youth more. It's children coming out with tumors now, born with leukemia. It was shit that we ain't never seen in our lives. So we are genetically being weakened and weakened. But again, it's through the food, it's through the radioactive frequencies, through the EMF frequencies. We haven't even talked about the cell phone and just how cancerous causing is the cell phone. Just by having your cell phone in your pocket increases your risk of cancer by 34 to 60%. Having it on your head, that's why I always speak on speakerphone. The phone, the EMF frequency that operates off of a cellular phone is called radio frequency, right? They use radio waves. Radio waves is used to boil water. That's how you heat up your food in a microwave. It don't heat up the actual texture of the food. It heats up the water molecules inside the food, bring it to a boiling temperature, then it beeps. Bing! That means your food done.
When you put it in the microwave, you see that it heats up not from the outside in, as you would expect, if it were just absorbed in the microwave, but rather from the inside out.
And this is because water absorbs microwaves.
You don't realize the functionality that just happened there. The radio frequency waves shot through the molecules, the water molecules of the food, and it boiled it. It literally fried it, and that's what made your food warm. The same exact radio technology is in your phone, these same radio waves, and you putting it up to your head. Do you know your brain is 93% water? Your brain, 93% water. They call them ventricles. Inside these ventricles is pockets of fluids, or cerebrospinal fluid, but all this water in your brain. And then you get this microwave that you call a cell phone and you put it on your head. And we're not realizing when you keep doing this day in and day out, or you got your face this far in your phone, or you got your phone on your vagina, or you got your phone in your bra, or you got your phone in your pocket next to your prostate or your ovaries, we are heating up the actual H3O water molecules in our body. We're not realizing that this stuff is a big factor in causing cancer.
So for now, when you get on your cell phone, make sure that your cell phone is always on speakerphone and at least 3 feet away from your actual head. Whenever you want to put your phone down, instead of putting it in your pocket, instead of putting it in your back pocket by your prostate, by your ovaries, by your reproductive organ, instead of sticking it in your bra, by your breast, and by your heart, don't ever put it on your persons unless you have a radiation EMF protector sleeve, and you can put the phone into the sleeve, and then this sleeve will actually stop the emission or the emitting of radiation and EMF frequencies from penetrating your cells and having that cancer causing factor on the body. Another thing too, whenever